Hi guys, I'm Sumant from Website Skills. In this video we are going to see how you can log into your WordPress website. This is the WordPress site that we've launched. And you can see, it has the default WordPress content. Now, how do you make changes and add your content to this site? To make changes to your site, you need to first log in to the admin side of WordPress. What is the admin side? Now, WordPress has two areas: the front part of the site, which is the actual site that your visitors will see, and the admin area, which is where you can control and make changes to your site. So to control your site, you need to log into the admin area. So, to log into the admin area, all you have to do is just type /login next to your website address and press enter. And now, you will be taken to the login page of your WordPress website. Now to log into your admin area, all you have to do is enter the username and password which you selected for WordPress. And click login. And now, we've successfully logged into the admin area. And this is where you can control your entire website. In the next video, let's see how you can create a page on your site. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.